Hello friends! Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688, call or WhatsApp.
Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture of DIALux Evo. In this lecture we will see how to find a luminaire in a DIALux Evo. Now we are going to moving from the construction tab to lighting design. We have completed the construction. Now we can move to the lighting design, and in the lighting design, first thing is that you should be able to find the luminaire which you want in your house. So that I will first discuss that how you can find the luminaire and how you can bring that luminaire in the DIALux Evo. First of all, we can click on the lighting tab here, and then in the lighting tab you can see I have already brought some luminaires here, but I want to show you how you can get these luminaires from internet. This is the open luminaire list. You can click on the open luminaire list. These are the luminaires which I have got from the internet. Now I will teach you how you can get these luminaires from online. Here, just go to DIALux luminaire finder. You can click on that and you will shift to the internet. Suppose here is a indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, what you want to search. There's one more thing, that find what by keyword, and DIALux community is also here. Suppose we can use the find by keyword. I want to search wall washer and show products. And now these are the wall washers from different brands. These are the brands. You can click on here and you will get different brand names. Suppose I want the wall washer from Philips. I will see, suppose there Philips is here. I click on Philips and go here. You can see there are different products, different types of their LEDs, their luminaires. You can click anyone. Suppose you want to this one Philips luminaire, you can click here and click on send to DIALux and then open. Okay, now go to the DIALux, go back. You can see now, you can see, click here. Oh yeah, now you can see the Philips has been inserted here. Okay, now you have learned how you can get a luminaire from internet and how you can bring that in luminaire in your DIALux Evo. Now suppose I will use this one, that is Ligma, this is Panasonic, this is Zomatable wall washer. I want to use this in my bedroom here. For that you should be in the story tab. You should activate the story tab and also click here, that is the floor plan view. And now you want to hear the 3 luminaires or 4 luminaires, whatever you want. For that you have to go to here, select the luminaire, and here is the draw line arrangement, and you can here enter suppose 3 and then go to here, place like that. 1 minute, I will enter here 3. Okay, now 3 luminaires are here. If you want equal distribution, you can go to S like that. Okay, 1 2 3 luminaires are here inserted here. Now we will see in 3D. This is the luminaire. You can see 1 2 3. Okay, now I want to see this is called the display option. You can click on here Here you can go and see how light distribution curves. Now you want to see the distribution curve, light distribution curves. Now you can see this is the light distribution curve. You can see the light distribution curve is showing towards this. If you want to change it, you can change it by like this. Okay, now you can go to again to 3D, or 1 minute we can go again display option, and then go to the light visualization, and okay, and you can select the 3D first. Go to here, and light distribution is activated. And now select anyone. Now you can see this is the light distribution, how light is distributed by this luminaire. Okay, you can change any angle here. Right click and rotate. 1 minute you can change the angle also. 1 minute. If you change, you can see you can change the angle also as per your need. If you can see, it will change. Okay, now if you want to change the spacing between these, you can change also the spacing. I will show you. 1 minute. There is a luminaire, you can see luminaire. 1 minute. There is a coming one start point. Number of luminaires here is 3. Luminaire flux, luminaire fitting, recessed. Okay, I will show you how you can change the luminaire distance. So you can select here, and here the luminaire distance is 1.13, that is 1.13. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, in the next lecture we will move on more discussion on the luminaires, how we can design. We will go more further in this lighting design. Thank you.